Oh. Come, knock it down. Knock it down. Whoa! Yay! Idiot. Am I idiot? Go. Go, go, go. Oops. It's so funny how he develops. He's just knock it all down. Now he wants to reach for the top one and take it off.
Okay. I've changed my location. You look like a little Turkish boy.
Good, because he is a little Turkish boy. Born in Turkey, and his first language will be Turkish. Careful, boy, I don't should fall face forward on the peppers. What, you have to take every single one off? Careful. See that wheezing he has all the time. Okay, you took every single one off. Are you happy now? I'll pop over and collect them. Are you doing Grandpa again? Are you doing Grandpa again? Where'd you go? Oh. Do you like my hat? 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 I like your hat. I like your hat. Do you like my hat? Whoa!